Hello everybody, I am Simika from BCom. I am going to share about a multinational company called International Business Machine Corporation IBM. This is an American multinational technology corporation headquartered in Armonk, New York with operations in over 171 countries. The company began in 1911, founded in Endicott, New York, by trust businessman Charles Van Flint as the computing, tabulating, recording company and was renamed International Business Machines in 1924. IBM is incorporated in New York. IBM produces and sells computer hardware, middleware, and software and provides hosting and consulting services in areas ranging from mainframe computers to nanotechnology. IBM is also a major research organization holding the record for most annual US patent generated by a business for 28 consecutive years. There are IBM values dedication to every client's success, innovation that matters for our company, trust and personal responsibility in all. Think. The Think slogan was first used by Thomas J. Watson in December 1911 while managing the sales and advertising departments at the National Cash Register Company. At an uninspiring sales meeting, Watson interpreted saying, "The trouble with every one of us is that we don't think enough. We don't get paid for working with our feet. We get paid for working with our heads." Watson then wrote "Think" on the easel. And, and then IBM continues to use the slogan. Think is also an IBM trademark. IBM named its laptop computers ThinkPads and named a line of business oriented desktop computers ThinkCenter. Since 2018, IBM's main conference is called Think. IBM operates in 174 countries as of 2016 with mobility centers in smaller market areas and major computers in the larger ones. A nickname for the company is the Colossus of Armonk. IBM was recognized as one of the top 20 best workplaces for computers by the United States Environmental Protection Agency in 2005, which recognized Fortune 500 companies that provided employees with excellent computer benefits to help reduce traffic and air pollution. IBM India Private Limited is the Indian subsidiary of IBM, which is headquartered at Bangalore, Karnataka. It has facilities in Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Delhi, etc. IBM Research constitutes the largest industrial research organization in the world with 12 labs on 6 continents. The Thomas J. Watson Research Center in Yorktown Heights, New York, is one of 12 IBM research labs worldwide. IBM fellow Benoit Mandelbrot discusses fractal geometry 2010. Research has been a part of IBM since its founding, and its organized efforts trace their roots back to 1945 when the Watson Scientific Computing Laboratory was founded at Columbia University in New York City, converting a renovated fraternity house on Manhattan West Side into IBM's first laboratory. There are partial list of products, services and subsidiaries of International Business Machines Corporation and its predecessor corporations beginning in the 1890s. IBM has a large and diverse portfolio of products and services. As of 2016, these offerings fall into the categories of cloud computing, artificial intelligence, commerce data and analytics, Internet of Things, IT infrastructure, mobile, digital workplace, and cyber security. IBM Cloud includes infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and platform as a service offered through public, private, and hybrid cloud delivery models. In January 2009, IBM introduced its first commercial quantum computer IBM Q System 1. In March 2020, it was announced that IBM will build the first quantum computer in Germany. The computer should allow researchers to harness the technology without falling foul of the EU's increasingly assertive stance on data sovereignty. In the terms of investment, IBM's R&D expenditure totaled several $billion each year. In 2012, that expenditure was approximately $6.9 billion. Recent allocations have included $1 billion to create a business unit for Watson in 2014 and $3 billion to create a next gen semiconductor along with $4 billion towards growing the company's strategic imperatives. In 2015, IBM has one of the largest workforces in the world, and employees at Big Blue are referred to as IBMers. IBM is nicknamed Big Blue in part due to its blue logo and color scheme, and also partially since IBM once had a de facto dress code of white shirts with blue suits. The company logo has undergone several changes over the years, with its current 8-bar logo designed in 1972 by graphic designer Paul Rand. It currently operates through 5 business segments: Cloud and Cognitive Software, Global Business Services, Global Technology Services, Systems, and Global Financing. Thank you.